Hello everyone, here is the spot sprayer that we're going to open now. And this will help us to make our lawn very beautiful. So, there is the spot sprayer. We're going to open that up. And here is the chemical that we'll put on to go ahead and get those weeds called tenacity. And you put this in there and that in there, that color blue, so you can see where you've sprayed it. And this one helps it to stick to the weeds. So that's a 15-gallon, you can see up here, 15-gallon sprayer from Harbor Freight. And what we're going to do is, you can see right here, we're going to mount it on the back of our lawn tractor. So join us in this little adventure, and we'll see how this does killing those weeds. That didn't take long at all. So what we have is the wand, or the sprayer here. This is where we put all the chemicals in. That's the little pump that pumps all everything out. And this is the part that clamps onto the battery right there. So, pretty simple. And what we're going to do is we're going to use these orange straps to put it on the back of our lawn tractor. So, stay tuned and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, here we are. We got the tank full of blue stuff. Showed you those chemicals I'm using, and this is why we're doing it. It is kind of late mid-February, and I'm already getting a lot of nasty looking weeds coming up, and that's because I've never used a pre-emergent before. So you can see out there, so this is the first year I'm going to use it. And instead of hooking it onto the mower this time, because I want to get it out quickly, I'm putting it in this green cart, and then I'm just going to hook the green cart to there and pull it around and spray with the wand instead of trying to fix all the sprayers up this time. So I'll show you what the spraying looks like, and then we'll do a fit for the wand after we get done spraying. Well, so here we go. Pretty much all done. I guess you can see that green out there. I'm just sort of cleaning out now. There's the green on it. So I just didn't get calibrated quite well enough on this one. I put a little heavier out front than I planned, but still within spec. So right now it's just cleaning out the tank. There's still probably a little residual amount in there, but so I'm excited. We'll see how this turns out. And for the most part, it did exactly what it was supposed to. So, good deal. And I'm kind of inclined to not even put the little spray bar on it. I'm just gonna use the hand sprayer because it did a pretty good job. And I don't know that this could put out too much more than what I'm doing right here. So, anyhow, all I have to do is kind of go back and forth like this, and I get the same thing as the spray bar. So, not a big deal at all. And I'm kind of liking this little trailer approach. This kind of makes it a little easier to hook up and all that. I'll still be thinking about a way to hook it onto the lawn tractor, but for right now that works great. Okay. Well, this is now a month later after we've sprayed that pre-emergent on, called Tenacity. And it said that it would also cause some of the weeds to die. Let's take a look. Look at that one right there. It's kind of white. Do you see that? And that's what they said would happen, is the weeds would turn white. And there's some more right there. See how white they are? And there's some more over here. See all those over there? And these ones here. And here. So it seems to be doing what they said it would.
We'll see how the pre-emergent looks and whether it kept the crabgrass from coming in. Okay, that's enough on that. It looks like the product works.